So now you follow our advice, you start getting your products from multiple factories in China, and you are much safer, but you are not as safe as you can be. Why do I say that? There have been trade wars, tariff wars with China. The Trump administration went after China tooth and nail, and whether you agree with the politics or you disagree with the politics, it didn't change anything. There were tariffs imposed, there were threats to your business, and your job as an entrepreneur is to protect your business at all costs, protect your income, protect your ability to make your payroll, and protect your family. So what am I telling you to do? Don't just diversify the factories within one country. Diversify the countries from which you're getting your products. So next in line after China, I would say look at India. I've been to India, I've been to their factories. Remarkable goods are produced in India. Paper goods, wood products, furniture, metal products, leather, textiles, phenomenal craftsmanship, low cost, people who work really hard and care about doing high quality products. So look at India as another source. As far as I am aware, I have never heard of the United States having a trade war with India. Look at India as an alternative source of diversifying where you're getting products from. This will increase the value of your business by making your business safer. And if there's something going on in China, you're still getting products from India. I'd also recommend for specifically electronics products, look at Costa Rica. They produce a tremendous amount of electronics in Costa Rica, and the government subsidizes business there like you would not believe. The tax benefits in Costa Rica are off the charts. Look at Costa Rica. Also look at South Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, North Face, the backpack company, they make phenomenal products. Guess where they're manufactured? Look at Thailand, look at Vietnam. Great infrastructure, low cost of labor, high quality products, great infrastructure, and in that government also supports business.